Hi, my name is Shipra Acharya and I am your sugar makeup expert for today. We are talking about hooded eyes in this video. Many people have hooded eyes and they are different for everybody. As you can see, I have hooded eyes. Some people have absolute hooded eyes and some people would have droopy eyes along with hooded eyes. How do you realize if you have hooded eyes or not? So this area above my eye, if you see, the brow bone area is a lot bulgier than others, and as a result the lid is hardly visible. This is how you know you have hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes and you want to see how to apply makeup on it, keep watching. As you can see, my basic makeup is in place. I have applied foundation, compact, blush, I've done contouring and I'm wearing a lipstick. Now I have to start with my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Vogue. This eyeshadow palette has 10 shades, 5 matte and 5 creamy metallic ones. Perfect for all your needs. I've applied little foundation on my lids so that it gives base to my eyeshadow, and I've dusted a little compact over it. Now I'm going to start with light coral shade from the palette and slightly take the color in my crease area with back and forth motion or round motions. You can apply the shadow. This is a light shadow. This will be the base of our eye makeup. So the reason why I am applying it slightly above my crease, natural crease, is because I have hooded eyes, and if I apply exactly where it is supposed to while doing eye makeup, it's not going to be ever visible. And similarly on the other lid, tapping off the excess. The payoff of these shadows is extremely good. You can already start seeing the color there on my lid. I'm intensifying the crease area with the same shadow, taking it on my lid as well. While applying eyeshadow, please be very careful not to take your eyeshadow anywhere lower than this line. From end of your outer corner of the eye to eyebrow, you need to restrict your shadow there, because the problem with hooded eyes is that they look droopy very easily. Next step is to create the crease, the socket line which is missing. So exactly where your eyeball ends is where you need to add a darker shade. I'm using medium brown, and with a fine brush I'm adding and creating a crease. Since my eyes are hooded and it's too bulgy, this crease is missing. However, other people would easily have them. And I'm just trying to make a slight V with this shadow at the outer corner of my eye, bringing it in towards the inner corner. I'm also taking the same eyeshadow towards the inner corner where the crease actually begins and pulling it backwards. This kind of will give halo effect to your eye. We'll just blend everything in. As you can see, there's difference between my left eye and my right eye. I've used matte brown eyeshadow to push this feature, the crease, behind and created the crease on the right side, which I've not done on left. Now I'll be adding metallic color on the lid so that it looks more outside. That's the rule in makeup. Anything you need to make recede, you need to use matte and dark. Anything that you want to bring forth, any feature of your face, you need to add metallic, shiny shade. If anywhere while applying your makeup you feel that your eyeshadow has come a little lower and is making your eye droopy, make sure that you wipe it off and maintain the angle from outer corner of your eye till the brow bone, end of your eyebrow, like how I am cleaning the excess underneath. For the lower lash line, I am using the same peach shade, light coral, and applying it under the eye, merging it with the outer corner eyeshadow. This just helps in defining your eye properly and blends it with the eyeshadow applied on the top. Same for the other side of the face. To the lower lash line, I am adding deep plum shade just at the outer corner and not bringing it very inside the eye, only till the start of the pupil. Makeup should always be applied light-handedly, whether it's eyeshadow, foundation, anything that you apply on the face, it's like an artist's work. You need to hold your brush from fag end and lightly apply it so that it's easier to blend. So problem with hooded eyes is that lid area is hardly visible. You need to add creamy metallic shadow so that it gets accentuated. However, brow bone area is bulging out. So refrain from using anything that has metallic tinge to it or is shiny because it's going to push it forward again. Keep it matte. I'm adding bright gold metallic shadow on my lids and blending it well with the other shadows already there on the eyes. It's important to blend everything together, get everything together like they belong together, and there should be no harsh lines when you're applying eyeshadow or any makeup for that matter. Don't take it above the crease line. The next step is to kohl line your eyes, and for that I'm using Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade 01 Blackout. Now that the eyes are kohl lined, we move on to the next step, which is applying mascara, and for that I'm using Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade 01 Black with a Bang. The right way to apply mascara is take the wand right at the bottom of the lashes, engage it and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Take it out in a wiggly motion, and that's how you color and cover each end of all lashes. And since the lid area is very small, we don't want to use a liquid liner and reduce it further. This is my favorite mascara. I have not curled my lashes and still they look so long and nicely curled. And voila, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it as I did. Do like, share, subscribe Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. See you later.